Some people set high goals that are practically impossible to achieve, but most people set very moderate, very reasonable goals. How does the behavior of these people differ? Those who ask the impossible or the maximum from life, and those who ask moderately differ mainly in how they react when their goal is not achieved. Why shouldn't anyone set a high goal? It's very simple. What if it doesn't come true? I will be disappointed. So in order not to be disappointed, I will set a goal that is sure to be achieved. A person who sets high goals takes a risk that they may not be achieved. But if you don't criticize yourself, if you don't get upset that your high goal has not been achieved, maybe nothing terrible will happen. Imagine two people working for a company. This month, they each earn $1,000, but they want to earn $3,000. The one who sets reasonable goals writes down, well, since I earned $1,000 this month, next month I will write down a realistic goal of $1,500. The one who wrote down an unrealistic goal of $3,000 naturally, the one who set a realistic goal achieved it and earned $1,500, while the one who set an unrealistic goal naturally did not achieve it and earned only $2,000. The question is, which one of them won? The one who achieved the goal and earned $1,500, or the one who did not achieve the goal and earned $2,000? Morally, the one who set the goal of $1,500 won. But materially, the one who set the goal of $3,000 and earned $2,000 won. So, if the one who did not achieve his goal did not grieve over it, but rejoice in what nature gives him, if we rejoice in what nature gives us, what prevents us from setting high goals? If I deserve $2,000, why should I limit myself to only $1,500? Set your goals as high as possible and rejoice in what nature gives you, because it always gives us what we deserve. The next point is, if we suddenly decide that setting goals is good and useful, what should we do? First, we need to write our goals down on paper, because a goal written down on paper is the first stage of materializing our goal. We were able to express it on paper. We were able to formulate it. It's not so easy, but it's possible. There's a good proverb that says, what is written with a pen cannot be cut down with an axe. We know that verbal agreements are not considered in court, but written agreements are, for some reason. Why? Because when we take a written agreement, we know what was discussed when people agreed, and the court can already make a decision. The situation is similar with our goals. A person has a goal, a dream, a desire, but today he wakes up in a cheerful mood, and this dream or goal appears to him in bright and beautiful colors. Everything is wonderful, but tomorrow they wake up or get up on the wrong side of bed, and they no longer think about their goals so optimistically. They invest a different kind of energy into it. If we write down our goal on paper, then no matter what kind of day we have, we read the words and invest the original positive energy into them. So, the first important rule is to write down your goals on paper. In fact, a goal written on paper is a request, a statement of what you want from life. Nature will read what you want, and if you are worthy of it, you will receive it almost instantly. If you are not worthy of it, then you need to work on yourself a little. But how upsetting it is when people do not get what they deserve, not because they do not want it, but only because they do not ask for it. So, a goal written down on paper is a request of nature for the reward you want to receive for your work. The second fundamentally important rule is that our goals should be written in the present tense. Imagine a person writing in their goals, I will earn $1,000 a month. It's a great number, a great goal. We wrote down the goal, hung it on the wall, and a month, 2 months, 3 months passed, and nothing in life changed. Why? Because nature knows that in 2037, your pension will be $1,000, and you'll receive it. So don't worry, no problem. But we probably want to earn that kind of money this year. So we need to write our goals in the present tense to bring our goal closer to today. There's a great example in the book. A man says, I come to a bar, and there's a sign above the bar that says, tomorrow we'll provide you with unlimited credit. I go up to the bartender and say, well, guys, imagine that tomorrow everyone sitting in a room will come to you for credit. What will you say to them? The bartender replies, you know, No one has come yet, but even if I come tomorrow and ask for unlimited credit, as it says on your sign, what will you say to me? The bartender says, well, why worry about it today? Come back tomorrow and we'll decide. He comes back to bartender tomorrow and says, what about the credit? The bartender says, what credit? I say, well, it says here that tomorrow we will provide you with unlimited credit. The bartender replies, so let's worry about it today. Come back tomorrow. So tomorrow never comes. Remember your friends who promised to start running in the mornings on Monday and still haven't started. Remember your friends who said they would quit smoking on the first of the month and still haven't quit. You can't change your life tomorrow. You can only change your life today. If we want our goals to be achieved as quickly as possible, write them down in the present tense. I earn $3,000 a month, or I'm doing everything I can to earn thousands of dollars this month. The wording can be very different, as long as it is in the present tense.